Artificial intelligence is no longer just a concept in science fiction. It's an integral part of our present, reshaping industries, healthcare, education, and even our personal lives. As we stand on the threshold of what could be a new era in technology, we're faced with exciting opportunities and some daunting challenges. Today, we explore the future of AI, the advancements, the ethical dilemmas, and the possibilities that lie ahead. AI has already made tremendous strides in multiple fields. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases with greater accuracy and even performing surgeries with robotic precision. In finance, AI systems are predicting market trends and making split-second decisions that human analysts could never match. And in entertainment, AI is composing music, generating visuals, and creating immersive experiences. One of the most remarkable breakthroughs is in natural language processing, with models like GPT-4 capable of understanding and generating human-like text. Yet with great power comes great responsibility. One of the most critical challenges facing AI today is its potential for bias. AI systems learn from data, but if that data reflects societal inequalities, the algorithms may perpetuate them. Privacy is another major concern, with AI's ability to collect, analyze, and store massive amounts of personal information, leading to unprecedented surveillance capabilities. And as AI is integrated into military operations, the ethics of AI in warfare are becoming increasingly complex, with autonomous weapons posing new threats to international security and human life. As AI continues to advance, many fear widespread job displacement. Robots and algorithms are already taking over tasks traditionally performed by humans, from driving trucks to managing customer service calls. But this shift also creates new opportunities for employment, particularly in AI-related fields like programming, data analysis, and ethics. The question is, how can we ensure that workers are equipped with the skills to thrive in an AI-driven world? As AI systems grow more sophisticated, we enter a philosophical minefield. Could AI ever become truly conscious, developing its own thoughts and desires? And if so, what rights would it have? These questions have sparked a fierce debate in the scientific community. While AI today lacks true self-awareness, advances in machine learning and neural networks bring us closer to a point where these issues might no longer be purely speculative. Looking toward the future, AI could become a tool for enhancing human capabilities. Brain-machine interfaces might allow us to think faster, solve complex problems in real time, and even augment our senses. Then there's artificial general intelligence, AGI. AI that can match human intelligence across every domain, not just specific tasks. If achieved, AGI could revolutionize medicine, space exploration, and even how we understand the universe. But with AGI comes a critical question. How do we ensure that such powerful technology serves humanity, not the other way around? Then there's the idea of the singularity, a moment in time when AI surpasses human intelligence, triggering rapid, unpredictable advancements. Some predict that once AI reaches this point, it could radically change civilization, potentially solving world problems like climate change or poverty. But others fear that the singularity could lead to unintended consequences, where AI's goals diverge from human interests, creating an existential risk. The future of AI holds immense potential, but it's up to us how we shape it. Will we embrace its opportunities, confront its challenges, and guide it ethically toward a brighter tomorrow? The choices we make today will determine how AI evolves and how it impacts our world for generations to come. Thank you for watching. If you got any value from these videos, please comment, like, and subscribe. We welcome any feedback on our videos. Thank you.